Hello everyone, my name is Dejan. I'm pleased to announce that I earned the DevOps Culture and Mindset certificate, which is a 4-week online course authorized by University of California, Davis, and offered through Coursera. The instructor for this course is Kortni Kisler. She is Vice President of the Nike Digital Platform Engineering Division. This course gave me the basic foundation principles of DevOps with particular focus on culture and DevOps mindset. I have learned about how DevOps is grounded in lean principles and how it can help improve collaboration between developers and operations team members. I learned about ideas regarding system thinking, feedback loops, continuous improvement, loosely coupled architecture, and teams, managing the risk and dealing with unplanned work. I have also learned about strategies to manage work, monitor it, keep it organized, and maintain a high level of quality by following key DevOps principles. We have also discussed various organizational models and structures that are used by companies in their DevOps transformations. I have learned about value stream mapping and ensuring continuous workflow. Furthermore, I learned key ideas and tactics that I can employ at my organization to improve both time to market and increase the value delivered for our customers. I have completed an assignment where we discussed our ideas on how DevOps can transform our organization. Our task for this assignment was to draft a short agenda outlining what we will discuss in 30 minutes long meeting with C-level managers, and to develop a brief slide deck with a script in which I articulate how DevOps principles and practices could be implemented in our organization using organizational models, feedback loops, configuration management, continuous testing, integration and delivery, or shifting from big batch to small batch. In my assignment, I have also included the value stream map we worked on this course. I highly recommend this course to everyone starting with DevOps. If you want to attend this course, please check the link in the description down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!